In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to a Miro board. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply want to share your ideas with others, inviting people to your Miro board is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to do this effortlessly. First, navigate to your Miro dashboard and open the board you wish to share. Once your board is open, you will notice a button labeled Share, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button, which will open up the sharing options. This is your gateway to inviting collaborators or viewers to your board. Now, on to the next step. It's time to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. In the space provided, type in the full email address of your intended guest. Make sure you've entered it correctly to avoid misdirected invitations. An accurate email entry is vital for ensuring that your guests receive the invitation without any hitches. Once you've entered the email, you'll often see a drop-down list appear. This is where you'll find the email you just typed. Selecting the correct address from this list is essential, especially if Miro suggests multiple addresses that seem similar. This step confirms your choice and ensures that the invitation goes to the correct person. Next, consider adding a personal touch by typing a customized message. This optional message box is your opportunity to provide additional context or instructions for those you are inviting. Perhaps you'd like to inform them of specific sections to review, or maybe there's a meeting they should prepare for. Whatever the message, make it clear and concise to bring your guests up to speed quickly. The final step to finish inviting your guests is clicking the Send Invitation button. This is your last check to make sure everything looks right before submitting. Miro will now send an email invitation to your guests with a link to the board. They can then click the link and gain access depending on the permissions you've set. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently invite others to collaborate on a Miro board. This method fosters easy collaboration, ensuring everyone in your team can contribute their ideas in real time. So go ahead and start sharing your board with colleagues or friends and enjoy the seamless collaboration that Miro offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more useful tips on making the most of your Miro boards.